mean, taking the race by a full lap? Where's the entertainment then? No, I wanted to give the folks a little sizzle. Sizzle? And am I sure I don't have a crew chief? No, I'm not. Because I'm a one-man show. What? Oh, yeah, right.
That was a very confident Lightning McQueen, coming to you live from Victory Lane.
Hey, get out of the shot.
Yo, Chuck, what are you doing? You're blocking the camera. Everyone wants to see the bold. What? Now back away. Ah, that's it. Come on, guys. Ow, whoa, team. Where are you going? Quit, Mr. One-Man Show. Oh, okay, leave, fine. How will I ever find anyone else who knows how to fill me up with gas? Adios, Chuck.
Oh, whatever. Hey, Lightning. Yo, McQueen. Seriously, that was some pretty darn nice racing out there. Fight me! Welcome to the Chick Era, baby. Piston Cup, it's mine, dude. Mine. Hey, fellas. Good look at Dinoco Blue. Dinoco Blue! In your dreams, Thunder.
Yeah, right.
Thunder? What's he talking about, Thunder?
You know, because thunder always comes after lightning. Kapow!
Who here knew about the Thunder?
Show us the bull! Ooh-wee, that was one close finish. You sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Apex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I can do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you. Hey, buddy, you're one gutsy racer.
Oh, hey, Mr. the King.
You got more talent than a nut, and a lot of cars has gotten a whole body.
Really?
But you're stupid. Excuse me? This ain't a one-man deal, kid. You need to wise up and get yourself a good crew chief and a good team. You ain't gonna win unless you got good folks behind you and you let them do their job like they should. Good team. You figure that out.